Welcome back to our channel. Curious about how the king of fruits journeys from the wild to your plate? Step into the vibrant orchards, where the air is thick with a unique aroma of ripening durians. Watch as fearless harvesters scale towering trees and navigate thorny branches to gather these coveted fruits. But the excitement doesn't stop there. See how skilled hands deftly open these armored wonders, revealing the rich, creamy treasure inside. Let's explore the incredible journey of durian from farm to fork. Durian originates from Southeast Asia and is now primarily grown in Thailand, Malaysia, Indonesia, and Vietnam. Durian's exterior is tough and covered with sharp, spiky thorns that serve as a natural protective barrier. The husk ranges in color from green to brown, depending on the variety. Durian typically weighs between 1 to 3 kilograms, though some larger varieties can reach up to 5 kilograms or more. Inside the durian, the flesh is divided into several segments, each encasing a large seed. The flesh itself is a deep yellow or golden color, with a creamy, custard-like texture that is both rich and smooth. The flavor of durian is highly distinctive and polarizing. While some people find its strong, pungent odor off-putting, others are captivated by its complex taste, which blends sweet, savory, and slightly bitter notes. Durian trees thrive in tropical environments with high temperatures and humidity. They can reach heights of up to 25 to 50 meters, depending on the cultivation conditions and tree variety. Uniquely, durian fruits often grow directly from the trunk or large branches, a distinctive feature compared to many other fruit trees. Thailand leads in production with famous durian varieties like Musang King and Monthong, while Malaysia is also noted for its high-quality durians, particularly Musang King. Indonesia and Vietnam also makes significant contributions to the durian industry, with key growing regions in Sumatra, Java, and southern Vietnam. The durian fruit develops from large yellow or white flowers, which typically bloom at night and are pollinated by bats. Additionally, durian requires a high humidity environment to help the tree maintain its vigor, especially during the flowering and fruit setting stages. Durian should not be planted in areas with strong winds or frost. Strong winds can cause flowers to fall, branches to break, and damage the tree, while frost can harm leaves, flowers, and young fruits, negatively impacting yield. To check if a durian is ripe before harvesting, farmers will gently tap the fruit's outer shell with their hand or a small stick. If they hear a deep, hollow sound, it indicates that the fruit is ripe. On the other hand, if the sound is high-pitched and solid, the fruit may not be fully ripe yet. Teamwork, sharp reflexes, and carefully positioned nets or cushioned landing zones are crucial for safely catching falling durians during the harvest. Harvesting durian by hand requires meticulous care and attention, making it a slower process compared to other fruits harvested by machinery. Typically, an experienced harvester can pick between 50 to 80 durians per day. Durian is usually grown close to water sources like rivers and canals to make irrigation easier. After harvesting, farmers load the durians onto boats to transport them from the fields to the collection points. After harvesting, durians are promptly transported to distribution points. Quick transportation is crucial because durians are perishable and sensitive to environmental conditions. Countries such as China, South Korea, Japan, and Thailand are increasing their imports of durian to meet the growing demand from consumers. To meet international market requirements, exporting countries must adhere to strict quality standards and control procedures. This includes ensuring that durian fruits meet standards for size, ripeness, and are free from any signs of spoilage. Thailand is recognized as one of the world's largest hubs for durian production and consumption. The trade of durians at markets across Thailand is incredibly vibrant and impressive. According to data from the Thai Statistics Office, it is estimated that traditional markets and agricultural markets in Thailand consume around 1.2 million tons of durians annually. At Warorot Market, one of the largest markets in Chiang Mai, approximately 50 to 70 tons of durians are sold daily. Meanwhile, at Klong Toei Market in Bangkok, the number soars to 100 tons per day during peak season. These impressive figures are largely driven by the immense demand for durians among the Thai population. Thais not only enjoy eating fresh durians, but also transform them into a variety of dishes and beverages, such as ice cream, smoothies, cakes, and more. Durian is also one of Thailand's key export fruits, contributing significantly to the country's economy. In markets, especially wholesale or traditional markets, you will easily come across stalls selling durians in large quantities. These stalls are often attractively decorated with large signs, and the fresh durians are artistically stacked on top of each other. In a durian factory, the processing involves several careful steps, each designed to create different final products like whole durians, dry durian, or durian puree. One of the most important steps is removing the durian's shell. For manual methods, workers use specialized knives to separate the shell. The skill and experience of the workers are crucial for performing the task accurately. avoiding damage to the flesh inside. In a more modern facilities, this process can be done using automated shelling machines. These machines apply pressure to the durian's shell, helping to separate it quickly. Workers carefully separate each durian segment from the shell. This stage requires meticulous attention, using gloves to ensure the segments are not crushed. If necessary, the durian seeds are also removed from the segments, depending on the requirements of the final product. The aromatic, perfectly round durian segments are carefully arranged in trays. Each piece is placed with precision to avoid any damage or squashing. This careful arrangement not only keeps the delicate texture intact, but also makes the segments look great. For whole durians, selected durians are then packed into sturdy cartons or to protect the fruit during transport. Before placing them in the cartons, they are carefully wrapped in a thick layer of paper to prevent damage from impact. Durian is not only consumed fresh but is also processed into other products. Durian puree is often used as a base for making desserts, ice creams, or as a filling for pastries. The flesh is extracted and put through a grinding or blending process to create a smooth, creamy texture. Once the desired consistency is achieved, the puree is carefully packed into bags or containers that are either refrigerated or frozen, depending on the intended use. For dried durian, the flesh is meticulously separated from the seeds. This pulp is then expertly sliced into even. These slices are then arranged on trays and placed in large industrial dryers. Inside these dryers, the durian undergoes a controlled dehydration process, which can take several hours depending on the technology used, such as hot air drying or freeze drying, and the target moisture content of the final product. Additionally, durian chips are made from underripe durians, sliced and deep-fried until crispy and golden. Once cooled to maintain their crunch, the chips are carefully packaged for a convenient and tasty snack that highlights the unique durian flavor. The durian slices are allowed to cool naturally and then are immediately packaged in vacuum-sealed bags. The final result is a snack that is not only convenient and long-lasting, but also delivers the intense, concentrated flavor of fresh durian in every bite. Durian is a fantastic ingredient for making sweet treats, thanks to its unique flavor and creamy, rich texture. This unique blend of flavors is what sets durian apart from other fruits when used in baking. In cakes and pastries, durian's rich and creamy flavor tends to mellow out, blending harmoniously with other ingredients like cream, sugar, and butter. The result is a dessert that's both indulgent and balanced, with the durian providing a subtle yet distinctive taste that lingers on the palate. Whether it's in a durian cake, tart, or pastry, the fruit's flavor transforms these treats into something exotic and memorable, making each bite a delightful experience. Thanks for being part of our durian journey. If you found this video intriguing, don't forget to give it a like and share it with your friends who love exploring new flavors. And if you're not already subscribed, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest food explorations. Got any thoughts, questions, or personal durian experiences? We'd love to hear them. Drop a comment below.